se boji, ali nema kontrole. Velika dobline sa krijem potole. Ako folira.
Staying tall, what? Paradise Ave, yeah, nigga, I'm from Perry, yeah, ain't nothing fucking sweet, ain't nothing Ben and Jerry's. Nigga on the gang, nigga on the gang, ain't nobody throwing dirt on the name. Very colorful, very energetic, you know what I'm saying, video right here, you know what I'm saying, come on. You know what I'm saying? Come on. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I believe this is, you know what I'm saying, Ukraine now, you know what I'm saying, music video, you know what I'm saying, welcome to Ukraine, mentioned TV, you know what I'm saying, via the Universal Broyo Empire, you know what I'm saying, Katiba Zavujai Manchi, you know what I'm saying, Dobro Doshli Ukrainsky, da, you know what I'm saying, it's your boy J Munchie, you know what I'm saying, hey, Kanchela, Kakuse down, you know what I'm saying, how y'all guys doing, you know what I'm saying, we are checking out some Ukrainian pop music, you know, Shane Turbofolk style music, you know, Shane. We got something. Да. Lipstick. Look at those hills. Hey. Guess a ledge, you know what I'm saying, pass me, you know what I'm saying, hey, I like it, you know what I'm saying, ja sam szroną używał. I like that part. Come on. Bracelets, you know what I'm saying, I think those leggings she got on. Got some pretty teeth, some good man. Come on. Come on. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, we're going to be checking out some more, you know what I'm saying, Ukrainian music, you know what I'm saying. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video, you know what I'm saying. Without speaking, don't do me. Krystyny dygmi za preparatu I plushite zovano za obaveštenja, da, you know what I'm saying. Hey, ja sam pravroha vrosho vreme, you know what I'm saying. This is Ukrainian Munchie TV. Hope you guys enjoy this reaction video, you know what I'm saying. And yes, your boy, you know what I'm saying, Yasam Ease America, you know what I'm saying, Zonte, Ibrumunti, you know what I'm saying, Dot, you know what I'm saying, and I definitely love this Ukrainian pop music. Thank you for the viewer for sending me the link to this song, you know what I'm saying. I definitely like this song, you know what I'm saying. Definitely has a old school pop vibe, you know what I'm saying, but fun, energetic, sexy, you know what I'm saying, Soviet, you know what I'm saying, style Ukrainian music, you know what I'm saying. I like it, you know what I'm saying. Got the long hair, you know what I'm saying, all that, you know what I'm saying. But the main thing I liked was the fashion sense, you know what I'm saying. And the video production was super dope too, you know what I'm saying. But shout out to, you know what I'm saying, the Moises Free, you know what I'm saying, for that super dope song, you know what I'm saying. And I see you guys in the next reaction video. That's Piranya, that's Porava, Baka, da, you know what I'm saying. Banda, Saragangarate, so Banda. You know, gang with the gang. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what I'm saying, why are you still here?
Se boji, ali nema kontrole. Velika dobline sa krijem potole. Ako folira.
Staying tall, what? Paradise Ave, yeah, nigga, I'm from Perry, yeah, ain't nothing fucking sweet, ain't nothing Ben and Jerry's. Nigga on the gang, ain't nobody throwing dirt on the name.
samo da se s tobom ova igra tebi prija. Neću biti tvoja, niti biti bilo čija. Ti si tako pitomija, ja sam tako divlja.
Važi, opet važi. Sutra me traži, sutra me traži. Sutra me traži, sutra me traži. Stil iz snova, moj rep je ko moj ormar. Opet nova kosa, Denis rodna, nisam čudna.
Ej, doje se nazad sa drugom over gori, ja say novu pesmu, srpski reakcija, ej, ja say dobro došli, ej, pozdrav, pozdrav svima, you know what I'm saying, how y'all guys doing, kako ste danas, you know what I'm saying, you already know this is Serbian Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying, we're going to be checking out some Serbian music, you know what I'm saying, from the Moje Sestra, by the name of Indonesia, and the song's called Moj Kraj, meaning my king. You know what I'm saying? You already know. You're not gang with the gang, banda, sada gangarate, sub, banda. You know what I'm saying? Da. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get into this reaction video. You know what I'm saying? And I'm learning, I'm starting this, so I want to let people know. I need somebody to help me. I'm learning Serbian full, so the next 6 months I'm gonna be learning Serbian full-fledged conversational Serbian language, you know what I'm saying, meaning I'm gonna be learning phrases so I can communicate with you guys better, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, you know what I'm saying, if you got, I need somebody that's a true teacher, okay, someone that's not gonna judge, someone that's not gonna get on me about mistakes, you know what I'm saying, just help me just get better and improve with it, you know what I'm saying. But so far I've been doing it myself, you know what I'm saying, and I've been doing good. So like I said, not like desperate for someone to help me, so don't worry about it, you know what I'm saying. So I'm doing good, you know what I'm saying. It's just nice to have somebody help you a little bit, especially with certain things, you know. Why you grab her by her neck though? She like it rough, huh?
Neću biti tvoja, njega mega oko moje sija. Sine dijamanta, ponos komandanta. Zlato oko vrata, beli grad mi je palata. Upil da me prestigne, da me nadmudri, da me produhovi, da me prestigne.
Okay. Well, so far so good, you know what I'm saying? Let's continue this reaction, you know what I'm saying? She rolling that R. Hell yeah, that is dope as fuck. Hell yeah, Shavaka Charles. Hey, you know what I'm saying? You already know. It's your boy Jay Munchie, you know what I'm saying? That was fire though, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Indonesia, you know what I'm saying? You already know that song was dope as fuck, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? No cat, you know what I'm saying? And yeah. If you enjoyed this reaction video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, because you're not ganging with the gang. You know what I'm saying? Havala Surima, Havala T. Thank you guys for watching, you know what I'm saying? Rolum T, Moya Bracha Essentially, you know what I'm saying? I love you guys, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoy this reaction video. I'll see you guys in the next reaction video, you know what I'm saying? Banda, Sada Gangarate, Sa Banda. Shout out to all my Serbs, you know what I'm saying? Serbia, you know what I'm saying? You're not ganging with the gang. You know what I'm saying? Do Virginia.